Well, how I want the children to do? This year the Queen Quet, way down, y'all in the Florida part of the Gullah Geechee Nation. On the children, y'all might say, where you to do that? Who this y'all? This year we represent the Simmons-Jenkins. What's going on, Sister Glenda?
Nothing much. Just glad to be here, Queen. Glad to be here.
I'm so glad to do this year. So watch now. I so glad that 100 children did what we. Because why we come from this line, and all this shit going on all around. We, it's because there's self time for we. We come on over to Nassauville from Nassau County Council, where we get not one proclamation, but 2 proclamations, plus a letter from the mayor of the town of Fernandina Beach. So this year one, there's a proclamation from the town of Fernandina Beach, Amelia Island. This year one from Nassau County right here in Florida, all for proclaiming the 2021 Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Sister Glenda, I ain't know how long it's been. It seems like a decade at least we've been a kind down young. But get these your thing and shout how you feel about we doing this year one more again.
Look, it's been a while. We didn't get to have our 20-year celebration. So it's wonderful to be back, able to celebrate. But this is, I've never known the city to come to the county to give someone a celebration. That's news in and of itself.
And it I told him, I said, this year gonna be epic.
Yeah.
Because I know in all these years when we've been to get these Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week proclamation, I ain't never had the city come in the county building and then they give a 2-1 place.
Right.
You know, they usually want their own time, you know, they want photo op and things like that.
That's right.
But do their own thing. And so this evening, we just waiting for a few more. We Gullah Geechee forgot it when we right here till we beloved Mount Olive. We going to leave Mount Olive right to Nassauville so that we could just get a little bit of shout lead and we could go ahead and post some libation for we ancestors and things like that. Because this year for them and just for we. This year for them, all they done do for we, for be who we be as Gullah Geechee. And I know, Sister Glenda, long time you been to try to crack your teeth and tell them children, y'all living first, know who y'all been down here in Florida. And
That's the truth. I tell you, when I was cracking my teeth in the beginning, there wasn't nobody cracking back.
ain't it? And now something act like it cracky. And I just crack your teeth, so them children act like it cracky. And things like that. So I'm so glad that 100 of y'all with me one more again. So what do you think for this year, yeah, for getting on 2 of these one time? How you feel about it?
Well, I just think it's symbolic of growth and recognition and acknowledgement. You know, the city and the county really have hard time working together in terms of things like, you know, services that are provided and who's going to do what, and it's difficult for them sometimes to make decisions. But it's interesting to me, this is kind of symbolic of the fact that when it comes to our people, when it comes to Gullah Geechee people, you can't separate us by city and county and town.
Or state or
Because we are the same wherever we are.
Wherever we
Some people try and make a distinction and a difference, but the culture does not acknowledge boundary lines.
Thank you.
So therefore, I consider this to be a very symbolic of who we are.
And it
You know, if you recognize us, recognize that we are one people wherever we are.
with one flag and in totality one nation. And that is thing now. It's always got one circle. And that one how we united all the time. So come on here. Brother William, I see on him just pull up here. And Miss Jean, y'all come on over to the family. Come on over. We going live right here this year, the one we represented to, and this is Elder. We got Elder and Jean here, and we represented Brother William here. Brother William going to one building, and we've been to the next building, getting the proclamation and thing this evening. But we want the children to know a little bit about Mount Olive. Tell them but when we did, why this here such a sacred place.
Well, it's sacred because with the Juneteenth and celebration going on last week and everything. Well, when I was on the program before I was trying to tell them that all the black people in this area had to come to Fort Clint. And my ancestors came to Fort Clint. And after they left Fort Clint, then they came to Nassauville and set up started farming, started living a regular, normal life here in Nassauville, and the church was one of the first institutes that always show you just how the community is progressing when they establish a church. So this church, they established this church here after they left from Fort Clinch and started farming and other livelihoods down here in Nassau-ville. So this is why the church is important, because it shows how our people wanted to progress after their ordeal dealing with slavery and the Civil War and all of that. They wanted to live a life, a normal life like everybody else, and progress in this country.
That's right.
Because they was here, so they wanted to make the best of it.
And we the one built it anyway.
Yes,
it ain't like it would have been here without the ancestors and who we be. Anyhow. And so for sure, family, we can go ahead so we can pour this libation and share some prayer and give thanks for them same ancestors who land the board of this your church and things like that. Who been to shout you, who been to farm you, who been to pick your officer down to quick you on them, all them kind of things that when you come in here now and you did this your part of Florida, you would have wondered where we be sometimes. But we still did you. We done been you and we ain't going nowhere. So thank you to all the Nassau County family. Thank you for bless up we, and we so glad that we did in Florida and we can crack we teeth and say we know who we be. Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Honey children, make sure, keep on following we at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, read of us Gullah Geechee Nation right here on FB and GullahGeecheeNation.com, but know about all the celebration what's going on in the Gullah Geechee Nation. For Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. They said the Queen Quet head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, shouting with the family.